Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual, I shall get to it. So, this was a relatively fair page that I created. Not my best work, but not also my worst work. So, obviously this nose is all wrong. I was a little bit too heavy-handed on the nose and the mouth was slightly far too wide. And on the second one, the cheekbone was going out slightly more than what it should have done, and the jaw makes it look quite harsh looking. And then the third one is probably the fairest one out of the lot. Obviously there's still some aspects of it that should have been rectified, but it took me 2 minutes 40 seconds compared to 3 minutes and 2 minutes 20. So utilising geometric and observational methods combined with good speed creating the feedback loop is how I am rectifying and gaining more effective learning skills in the fundamentals of art. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the rest of the channel and let me know what you think. Thanks guys!